Sanitary Pad Viana, a game changer in the world of sanitary pads. Our sanitary pad is crafted using the world's finest raw materials, including winning material graphene. These pads are dermatologically tested, non-toxic, and feature an 8-layer protection system for your health and comfort. But instead of just talking about it, let's show you our product through a short test video presentation. Unboxing Viana is having completely recyclable, eco-friendly paper box. Inside the box, there are 10 pieces. Breathability test. Most of the bacteria formed during the menstrual cycle are anaerobic bacteria which produce because of no fresh air. There should be the proper circulation of air so that less heat will produce due to friction between the vaginal skin and sanitary napkin. Because of less heat and fresh air, there will be no bacterial growth and so there will no foul smell, no rashes, no need of added fragrance. Viana sanitary napkins are breathable which allow air to pass properly. And here, you can see it with the breathability test of napkin. You can see that the air can pass properly through the napkin. But in competitive leading brand napkin, there is no breathability. Absorption capacity and quick absorption. Viana sanitary napkins have very high absorption capacity and a quick absorption without side leak. We will test it and compare with two leading brands which claim very high absorption for overnight use. We are pouring 100 ml water on each of it, and we can see that both the best claim. Sanitary napkins of market could absorb even 60 ml water and overflowing. But Viana sanitary napkin absorbed complete 100 ml very quickly without any overflow and side leak. You can also observe that it locks the moisture after absorption. Graphene test. Graphene is a Nobel Prize winning material which induces cell toxicity. On the human body with the rubbing of clothes there is friction charge formation, which damages the skin cell. Sanitary napkins are very close to vaginal skin and produce huge friction charge which can damage the cell membrane. Graphene absorbs this energy and neutralizes it and protects vaginal cell damage. It is a conductive material which allows electricity to pass, and we will check the presence of graphene in chip. Here we have a chip separated from the Viana pad, and we will connect the black lines of graphene on the chip with open circuit, and it will complete the circuit, and LED light connected with it will light up. Viana contains graphene chip to achieve the following advantages. Cause health. Relieve painful abdominal cramps, helps balance the body, helps eliminate harmful bacteria, helps with aroma, helps to fight fatigue. Boost metabolism, boost immune system, helps with mood swing. Magnetism test. Magnetic strip provides 3 natural energies: magnetism, neon, and far infrared that greatly enhance blood circulation, cell vitality, detoxification during the period, bioenzymes in the vagina, resistance to bacteria and immunity against any infection. Magnet improves blood circulation as our blood has iron content, and in presence of magnet, iron moves faster. So, the higher blood circulation will decrease the menstrual pain. Test. We will test the presence of magnet with magnet detector. We all know that mobile phone speakers have magnet, so we will take the magnet detector near to it and we can hear the beep sound. Now we will take it closer to chip and it will also make the beep sound, which indicates the presence of magnet. Betadine test. Detoxifying power of graphene chip. Let's do a simple experiment to demonstrate the purification capability of the Viana graphene chip. 1. Take a glass of water. Add a few drops of betadine solution, povidone iodine. The water will turn brown to represent contamination, like toxins or bacteria. 3. Now take the graphene chip from the Viana sanitary pad. 4. Dip the chip into the brown betadine water. 5. Stir for a few seconds. Result: within seconds, the brown water starts becoming clear again. This demonstrates the cleansing and detoxifying power of graphene. It shows how the chip neutralizes harmful agents just as it works inside your body during your period. Scientific properties. Scientific significance. Graphene has powerful electromagnetic property. It helps neutralize free radicals, toxins, and negative charges. That is why it cleans betadine and protects your body when used in Viana pads.